Good morning, my loves. This is a clip for my fellow parents. I'm here with my smallest dog, my little dog Kito. Kito is feeling a bit unwell. He has been having it's more of like a sore throat. He keeps making soft sounds like there's mucus stuck here in the throat, and he's not as lively as he normally is. This is what we do. Sometimes we post only the good photos, and you think with puppies, you're always taking them for walks, they're playing around, but there's these signs that you always check out for. If especially a small puppy, you see it's not really breathing well, not playing enough, you need to call a vet. You need to call a vet for them to be checked. Puppies die very fast, so you have to be extra vigilant. So I'm waiting for my vet now. I hope Kito turns out well.